Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. All these sarees are purely handloom sarees, soft silk, very lightweight sarees. We have 20 plus sarees in this video, so we are going to see all sarees in this video. So before that, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting regular notification whenever we upload fresh collections. We are uploading fresh collections daily. We are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees. Our shop is located in Sirumugaisoftsilksarees, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for any wholesalers and bulk orders. So all these sarees are 1.5 warp. We have both borderless and a tissue border collections. So we have very different color combinations and beautiful colors. 25 plus sarees are available in this video, so please do watch this video fully for all those color combination and designs. All these are unique designs. This is the first saree, a bottle green with pink combination. This is the borderless saree. As you can see, the pallu comes in a rich jari work pink color, and all over the saree you will be getting in a bottle green a beautiful bird motifs which is running all over the saree. You will be getting a contrast blouse in a pallu color, which is a pink color. This is the full saree. All these puttas are woven in gold jari. A very beautiful design, a very beautiful color combination. This is the back side of the saree. All these puttas runs all over the saree. So next color, a beautiful brown with pink combination. This one is a tissue border saree, so you have both borderless and a tissue border in this video. Both sides you will be getting a jari border, a beautiful rich pallu, and all over the saree a box motifs which is woven in a gold jari. So all these are 1.5 warp sarees, purely handloom made. So if you want to book any of these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can share those screenshots in the WhatsApp for booking. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. All are first quality silk sarees. All these are soft silk sarees, very lightweight, flexible. The approximate weight of these sarees will be 500 grams to 550 grams. So which is very lightweight, easy to carry for all age groups. And next is a teal blue with peach combination. All are unique patterns. Each saree has a unique design and a unique pallu pattern. So please don't miss this video. Please do watch this video fully for all the color combination and a design. So these sarees comes with a Silkmark certified tag. All these sarees have a central government Silkmark certified tag for the purity of original silk. This is the next color, a beautiful green with blue combination, which has tissue border on both sides. So if you want to book any of these sarees, if you want to see any color confirmation, we do have video call facility as well. You can check with us for video call facility and you can confirm the color of the saree which you want to book. So we are uploading fresh collections daily, freshly stocked from our loom. So please do watch these videos fully for all those color combination and designs. We have more designs and more color combinations, different color combinations. So all these sarees price ranges from 5,000 to 5,500. So which is very budget friendly price, direct manufacturing price. So please do contact us for the original exact price. So we have remaining sarees coming up in this video, so please do watch this video fully for all those color combinations and book your favorite saree.